Hey everybody, here is Tigerman, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this mountain and these birds. If you know, in episode number 2, I think, or 3, I think number 2, yeah, I show you, no, number 3, yeah, with the tent. You can see this one. I show you this mountain, but I couldn't do in that episode because that episode was finished. So yeah, today I'm gonna teach you how to make this mountain, this bird. I made this bird, it's an interesting bird. I like so much. It's my favorite friend in Lego. And this bird. If you know the story why the whales came, this is a birdman. Now it is a bird and now is a birdman. So yeah, you can get the story, but I make just the man and the bird. And you put like this and the head here and it looks like this. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to make this thing. Okay, so I destroy everything, but we're gonna start now with the pieces. We need 5 pieces brown like this one. One brown piece like this one. Two pieces like this one with 2 or 1. So pieces like this one, this is an interesting one, like this one. Six pieces like this one. It's this is the dark brown and this is the normal one. 4 like this and think like this one. This is for the mountain. Okay, for the bird, the technic bird, we need 2 pieces like this. 3 spaces. 3 spaces on. With 2 interesting pieces like this one. I think I will show you in episode, in the last episode, I think, yeah, with the ski jet. That was an interesting thing. A wheel like this one, it looks like this. Pieces like this one, it's so interesting, but you need 2 gray, dark gray. 1 piece like this, 3 spaces long, 1, 2, and the star here, and 1 here and here, like this. Okay, so I put my jackets away because here is so hot. I'm gonna do a little bit faster. 1 piece like this one with 2 stars here, round here, and 2 things like this here. It looks like this. Just 1. 2 pieces like this with 1 star here, 1 round here, and a star here. It's like on the top of this one, but it's little. It looks like this. And 1 piece like this one, looks good. And for the birdman, we need 4 pieces like this. This is so interesting. I like this piece so much. So yeah, I get this from a helicopter Lego. 2 pieces like this ones. This is so colorful. You need phosphorize these pieces. One red and one green. It's like this one, gray. I don't know how is this one called, but I like. One like this, black. One like this, brown but little. One like this it looks. And one piece like this and one like this. You need these two to make like this. So yeah, let's starting with the mountain. So yeah, I put just the mountain on the table. I make the table white now because I have a lot of black pieces. So yeah, so I will show you the pieces. So yeah, let's starting. For the starting, we need this piece, and we're gonna put a piece of 3 right here, and a piece of 2, right here. It needs to look like this. For the next step, we're gonna put this piece right here to looks like this, and this piece right here to looks like this. And I'll show you why we need to do these things. So yeah, a piece right here to looks like this, brown piece like right here, a piece of 2 right here to make a free one, but colorful one. One right here, one brown piece of 3 like right here, and the rest of we're gonna put on the top. The rest of you can put whatever you want. So yeah, I'm gonna put like this the pieces. You can make this idea for pieces, or you can make your mountain. But it's so easy to make this mountain because yeah. Oh, and you need to put on the top one piece like this on this thing. Yeah, so what is it? Yeah, so I like this mountain so much because it's a really big one, I think. Yeah, it's so big. And yeah, I finished the mountain. I do like this, the mountain. So yeah, let's go on the Lego Technic board. So yeah, I will show you the pieces. I put all the pieces on the white table. As you can see, I have a lot of black pieces, so yeah, I put on this part. So let's starting. For the starting, we need this piece and this piece with this piece. This is for the tail. So to make the tail, we need to be the tail like this one, but it's a little bit hard to put the tail right there, so I think we're gonna need a parent or something. Oh, but I did it. Now I need to put the tail. I don't put the tail, so yeah, I'm gonna put the tail right here. Okay, I did it. I put the tail inside that thing, and now you can stick that thing here, and it looks so good like this. For the next step, you need these cool pieces to put on the top, like this on the stars, and these little pieces like this one you need to put on the top. Oh, but we need to put this piece right here. I'm gonna need my mom or your dad to make this. So yeah, I put this thing right here because you need that. right now what? Yeah. For the next step we need to do the head. For head we need these things. So for head, you're gonna put the gray piece right here with this part, like this, and then you're gonna put the wheel, and then you're gonna put this one right here, and we did it the technic bird. This is my technic bird. If you like this bird, you can make. And the mountain, where is the mountain? Put the mountain right here. So yeah, make these two things. And now let's make the birdman. Yeah, I was very fast with these pieces because I have next to me the pieces. So yeah, I was put all these pieces on the table. So let's see how we can do this thing. We need this brown piece and put every helicopter piece, I'm gonna say like this, right here, like this. Then you need to put something right here because something right there, I think you can see it. Yeah, so you need to put this head right here, I think. No, you need to put this thing right here, and then this thing right here, and then you're gonna put this piece right here. For eyes, we're gonna put the green one right there and the red one right here, and this thing on the top. It looks like this, the birdman. Catch him. So yeah, I'm gonna put all the things on the table, and I'm gonna show you after. So yeah, I put all the things on the table, but for the next video I'm gonna show you how to make some dinosaurs. I make these dinosaurs with some legs and the tail. If you can see, I put a wheel like this one right here. Yeah, I'm gonna show you next time how to do these things. So yeah, let's go back at our things. So yeah, I did the bird technique, the birdman, and the mountains. So for this video, if you like to give me some likes, I want let's say the 150 likes. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and I see you next time. Bye.